Strap yourselves in, guys. It's time for another episode of Travel Beans. Hi guys, welcome to Travel Beans. I'm Alex and this is Emma.
And we are a couple who have been traveling the world for the last 6.5 years and more recently as digital nomads. The south, the very south of Poland, in a lovely little town called Zakopane.
But we don't know how lovely it is because we haven't really explored it yet, apart from the last video we went on a lovely walk. Watch it.
Little hike. Today the weather isn't great, so we're going to head into the town centre and see what there is to offer, and also, of course, see what there is to eat. So we have just arrived in Zakopane and we've come across this little marketplace, and there seems to be a lot of little market stalls and food and things around, so we're going to go have a little wander, maybe try a couple things, and then we're going to head into the town centre. Places selling this, which I think is called Oscypek, and I have no idea what it is, but she said this is sheep's cheese and that is goat's cheese, and she's put some cranberry sauce on the top, and it's really warm. I can feel it underneath. It's obviously been grilled or something.
It has been grilled.
It has been grilled. I'm excited to try it. Which one should I try first?
That
sheep.
one.
I'm gonna go sheep. Okay. Oh no!
Just like the locals eat it.
I'm losing precious cranberries. Okay, hold on. Oh god, this is not easy. I'm picking up with my fingers.
It's good?
Oh my god, it's amazing.
Yeah?
It's kind of smoky and chewy. You know that halloumi has like a squeak? I love me some squeaky Oscypek. And this one is goat's cheese. Pretty similar actually. Still has that squeakiness like halloumi, but really smoky. This was 5 zloty for 2, so about 2.50 each with the sauce and everything.
Which is
£1. 5 zloty is about £1. It's good. It's quite a strong flavour, I'm not gonna lie. I don't think I could have more than 2 of them. Because the
first one was the best.
Taste, the first one was the best, but the smoky taste is quite intense, so I'm not sure I'd have a lot of them. But 1 or 2 as a little snack in the cold weather is quite nice. They do have these quite big things in there, which I'm intrigued to try, but I'm not sure if I'm hungry enough to try them yet.
I can try one.
You can try one? Okay, let's get one.
This is the thing that is everywhere.
It's a huge, ginormous
huge
cheese.
So I thought it was bread with like cheese inside, but Emma has just informed me that this is purely cheese. Which is a bit
You just got a chunk of cheese to gnaw on.
Okay, it smells like Play-Doh. This is a sheep and cow's mix of cheese, and we asked if you have it cold or hot, and she said either. It doesn't look as appetizing because it doesn't have the sauce, and it looks, okay, a little bit phallic, I'll be honest. So if I just nibble on the end.
Oh my god. Go on, have a nibble.
This bit's probably the best bit. Okay, it's nice, like, it is good. It's just weird. I'm just like eating cheese. I wonder if this is like going to England and buying a big block of cheddar cheese and then just eating it and be like, okay, this is a bit strange. Because I don't really understand why you'd eat it like this, probably not.
No.
But chop this up like halloumi and grill it like the last bit.
Oh,
lovely.
Nice.
It's gonna be all over this.
We can have some snackage with that later.
One thing we've learnt though is that usually it's smoked cheese and it kind of has this kind of brown outer layer, whereas they also have unsmoked, like this. So have a little taste of this, well. Oh, you're gonna like this one, Em. It's like halloumi.
Oh, there's something on it.
Probably just one of my hairs.
It's got more of a tang to it than halloumi, but it's really good.
Now,
It's
do you
that
want?
same squeaky texture.
Do you want a bite of this?
Not really. This is Emma reporting from Zakopane, and the cheese is slightly intense, but I think it would be nice with a salad or some cranberry sauce or heated on the grill. So we're going to put it in our bag and take it home to have later. Good night.
This just in.
as you guys probably already know, Alex and I are big fans of the old mulled wine, and you can find it everywhere here. Like every restaurant and cafe has mulled wine, and we've just come across this place here that actually has mulled wine cups, but with a little tray that you put underneath, and you put a tea light inside, and it keeps the mulled wine hot. This is genius, because this is the thing that bugs me the most about mulled wine, is that you have to drink it quickly, otherwise it goes cold, and it's not so nice when it's cold. So this is amazing, and I'm definitely going to buy one. So you've made it to the town centre, and okay, I have to admit it's a little bit touristy along the street. There's a lot of shops which are clearly selling souvenirs and things like that, and a lot of the things that they're selling are similar in most of the shops. However, it's still really pretty. We have buildings like this pretty awesome one behind. We've got all these nice little wooden places to go and sit and have hot wine and nice food.
Best looking subway you'll ever see.
My face is becoming a little bit numb from standing out in the cold all day, so maybe we should just go and get a hot drink somewhere in one of these nice looking cafes. One thing I've noticed, there's actually a lot of really nice chocolate shops along here. They all have chocolates in the same shape as the cheese, the kind of weird, like, almost oval shape. You can see there's like a million of them. What is with this shape? Is it some symbol of like Zakopane or something? I have no idea. Everything, all kinds of things you can eat are in this shape. Why? So instead of opting for a hot drink, we've opted for a tasty hot snack instead. I've gone for a waffle with raspberry jam on it. And I'm quite excited about this. Too excited, actually. I'm just going to go for it. I'm just going to go. It's amazing.
Excuse me, I don't think people understand what that means.
It's amazing. That was Polish. French reason. Yeah.
Look how nice this little place is. Cozy.
I have my hot waffle with some toppings.
I've gone for a Nutella one, but you can't see under this mountain of sugar. Also, I'm going to be honest with you guys, I'm disappointed with the amount of Nutella that was applied to my waffle. Okay, there,
Stingy.
good little blob, lovely. But look, these holes have been neglected with Nutella. And all of these here, okay, that's a good blob there, just for proof, yep. Not as good, but I mean, still looks great. I'm going to be honest with you guys, don't love it. I love Nutella, I love waffles when they're good. But this place here, not impressed. That is how you apply a topping, guys. If any of you have a shop and you're not applying your toppings liberally, start doing it. Holy crap. Delicious. I've got major food envy, guys. And the shopkeeper was grumpy.
She was grumpy.
It all rubs off into the food. I don't know why, but I think this just looks like the loneliest, saddest thing I've ever seen. Like, he's just on a break.
He's walking around, not even trying to blend in. Yeah. He's not ashamed either, he's got the helmet bit off. Face off.
He's gone into the restaurant.
Hungry. We are back at our accommodation, and we have a feast of brewing here on the stove. We've got a selection of Polish cheeses are cooking. We have some Polish pierogi, because I'm not sure if you guys realise, but we're a big fan of pierogies. And of course we've got some mulled wine mulling on the stove. I'm quite excited about this little feast.
We picked up one of these here. This is a paprika one. Look at that, lovely. And then, okay, we've never cooked these things before, so I don't know if that looks good or not, but it's melting. Melting has got to be good with cheese.
Yeah, surely. Bit of melted cheese action, never hurt anyone. This one, as you see, has already had a bite taken out of it.
Was that you?
Maybe me. This is the ugliest food I've ever seen. It's hideous.
So don't let Emma's terrible cooking put you off.
That's not very nice.
Okay, is it good?
It's terrible.
Okay, all the cheese has decided to form into one mega ball of cheese. And the pierogies, okay, we love pierogies, the Polish dumplings. These ones don't look so great. They look a bit grey.
They look very grey. I'm a bit concerned.
But the wine.
Look at it steaming away with the little tea light underneath. So we got these bad boys in the market earlier, And I'm pretty sure that is the best purchase that I've ever made.
What pierogies have we got?
Mushroom and cabbage.
Go on. You've been complaining for ages. Shove it in your gob. Does it taste grey?
It tastes like it looks. Okay. I'm going to try some of this cheese. And it may not be very clear, but there are 3 different types of cheeses here. We have the smoked cheese here. That has congealed into this massive formation of cheeses. We have the unsmoked cheese in the middle. And we have some paprika cheese on the edge.
I have my eyes on the paprika cheese.
Yeah, me too. Let's go in. The paprika's actually really good. I like it a lot.
So Emma's got something against the smoked cheese at the moment.
It's just a bit overpowering.
Well, don't eat it then, because I like it. It's lovely.
Cranberry sauce from some woman at the market. Oops. Ooh, it smells lovely.
Lovely.
So I thought a bit of cheese, bit of cranberry sauce, get in the festive spirit of things, see if it changes my mind. This really is not doing any favours. I'm sorry for all the Polish people out there who think we are just like absolutely butchering your cuisine, because I'm sure we are. Cranberry good. Cheese good. It's the aftertaste of the cheese. The actual initial taste of the smoked cheese is lovely, but you don't want it hanging around after. Now as for the moment that I am the most excited for, it is the cheese that isn't smoked. The unsmoked cheesy goodness with some cranberry sauce on top. That's lovely. It's like halloumi. I recommend it, guys. If you want to come and try some of this Polish cheese, get the unsmoked version.
But there's so much more smoked cheese, so surely that's more traditional.
I'm just going to have a bit more of this.
Oi! So this video is turning into a bit of the battle of the cheeses. Smoked or unsmoked? No, the other way around. Smoked or unsmoked? Which side do you stay on, guys? I think me and Emma are both going to agree to disagree on the cheeses. In hindsight, nibbling on the cheese is kind of weird, because it's just a big block of cheese. But in my defence, I thought it was a bread-based delight.
Bread-based cheesy delight. Actually, yeah. Imagine if you saw like a Polish person just standing in the street in England nibbling on a bit of cheese and being like, this is kind of weird.
So don't do that if you come here, guys.
No, don't. Wait till you get home. Have it with
Grill
some
it
cranberry
and
sauce.
congeal it. That's the way to do it.
That's the way to have it. So give us a like if you liked watching our nibbling on a phallic piece of cheese and you'd like to see more of that in our future videos.
Maybe it awoke something inside you. And if it did, press subscribe and press the little notification button.
Yes, and leave us a comment. Tell us how badly we did on this food video section. What did we do wrong?
And which side of the cheese battle are you? Are you on the smoked side or the unsmoked side?
Unsmoked all the way.
Okay, thank you so much for watching, guys. It is time for me to give you one of these. Beans out!